In this video, we'll go over the steps to replace the controller board on the NordicTrack S22i and other similar models. First, with an Allen wrench, loosen the M6 by 25mm screw holding the crank arm onto the machine. Then, loosen the M6 crank screw and pull the crank arm free from the machine. Next, with the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 8 number 8 screws from the left and right shields. Then, remove the shield covers on both sides. This is the small, circular plastic disc that comes off towards the front of the left and right shields. Also, remove the 2 screws from behind the shield covers, as shown here. Once all the screws are removed, remove the left and right shields from the machine. The best way to remove the right shield is to rotate the crank arm as shown till you can fit the shield over the pedal and pass it through and out the front of the machine. Remove the wires from the controller board. Be sure to take note where they are plugged into on the controller board. You will need to reattach these wires later on after replacing your controller. Then, remove the 4 screws holding the controller board to the controller cover on the machine, and remove the old controller. Next, reinstall the new controller with the 4 screws back into the controller cover. Once the new controller board is installed, reattach all the wires you removed in the previous step as shown here. Reinstall the side shields with the 8 screws from earlier, and reinstall the left crank arm with the M6 crank screw and the M6 by 25mm screw. Finally, before you use your machine, make sure that all parts are properly tightened.